is a good look. Big
Pass be my passing up. Can't see you keep up. Passing the mark, sparking up. Big M badge, uptown killer.
What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today we're gonna do like a walk around on the 535 F10 and probably even POV. But first, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know if you guys rocking with the build, man. Okay, the update on the 535, and if y'all watch the last couple of videos, y'all would see that change of the valve cover. So this is a brand new valve cover on the 535, and also I swapped out the coil packs. Also, I got a video on that, so make sure y'all go check it out. And I also changed the spark plugs, so I got some brand new high performance spark plugs. And the other day I went ahead and relocate my oil catch can, so it's looking way more cleaner in the engine bay. And also I'm gonna have to paint these over, but that's no biggie. And soon I'm gonna get the oil cap, the aluminum one. I'm trying to get that one. But also let me show y'all the new revision on the custom 3-inch intake. So this is gonna be available soon, so make sure y'all hit me up on IG. It's the same thing as the YouTube name, so just hit me up if y'all want the custom 3-inch intake. So this is what comes with the kit. Whenever y'all do y'all pre-order. So it comes with a guard for the V-stock, as y'all could see that, so no leaf can go through. And also the 3-inch pipe with the extension, and also the silicone that goes to the stock turbo inlet right there. And also it works with the upgraded inlet too. So let me know, guys. Hit me up on IG if y'all are interested in getting the custom 3-inch intake. And with this, y'all don't need any like upgraded blow off valves, because this one let your car sound like a jet. So let me know if y'all interested, and just let me know, man. Okay guys, so I got some minor performance mods on the F10. I only got like the low pressure fuel pump, and also I got the charge pipe right there. And this charge pipe goes to the upgraded intercooler. It's the G plus intercooler. It's basically the same thing as the other ones. It's a 2-step intercooler. And also I swapped out one of the O2 sensors, the downstream, because that one was going bad, so I had to swap it out. But for fueling, I'm thinking about going port injection. I'll probably get the black market kit, or probably a kit of some of them website, so I could run it. So as y'all seen before, I dropped the front, but also I think I need like probably a 10mm spacer or a 15mm. But I didn't touch the rear yet, because I got some wheels in the shop right there. I got some wheels to put on the rear, so that's why I didn't drop it yet. And y'all could see the infamous single exit. Some of y'all may like it, some may don't, but it is what it is. And also I did I put a breather right here. Let me show y'all so y'all could see it better. Right there for the crankcase, so I put a breather, and I also delete the one from on the intake right there. And the car is running pretty good. All you have to do is just go in the MHD app and reset the adaptations of the fueling and the air intake mass airflow sensor, and you'll be good. No rough idling, no none of that. But also I was thinking about getting some fresh injectors for the 535, so I could like swap them out. It's fairly easy, it's not a biggie. I took these out the other day, cylinder 1 and cylinder 2, and I cleaned them off with a rag and alcohol, so it's easy. And I also got the Insta 360 cam with me, so y'all gonna get like a little POV drive, so stay tuned for that. And if y'all reach this far into the video, make sure y'all like, man, and make sure y'all subscribe to the channel for more update. Okay guys, so that's gonna be the end of the video, so make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and also let me know on the under the comment section if you guys would like the oil catch can setup and the custom 3-inch intake. There you go, right here, custom 3-inch. So you guys could hit me up in the comment section or hit me up on IG and let me know what y'all need, man. And peace. I'll catch you in the next one.